Hey everyone! Welcome to GPTconnect AI. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to one of the most exciting features of our AI chatbot system, DeepSeek. This isn't just another AI, it's a game changer. It's simple, precise, adaptable, and cutting-edge technology. So, if you're looking for an alternate option that doesn't just meet expectations, DeepSeek is the clear choice. To connect, we need to create a unique API key from DeepSeek and copy it into our platform. Go back to DeepSeek website and click on API Platform at the upper rightmost part of the screen. You can create a new account using your phone number or log in directly using your Google account. Select API keys on the leftmost part of your screen. Here, you will create a new API key. Copy the key and paste the key into your GPT account platform. Set up your new AI chat assistant and click Continue. Do not forget to switch automated responses to on and click Save. We've just showed you yet another great feature from GPTconnect AI. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. Help support channels are provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.